Icy gales from Siberia sweep across the face of Europe and the British Isles. Lashed by 50 and 60-mile winds, the snow is piled into 10-foot drifts, taxing the efforts of men and snow plows to keep traffic moving. Sub-freezing temperatures make the task of track clearance even more difficult. Even the south coast of England is hard hit, and Nelson's famous flagship, the Victory, is blanketed. The guns that once barked at Trafalgar are silent under their white mantle at the naval port of Portsmouth. In London, the fountains are draped in the winter freeze. The pigeons also feel the pinch of winter as a crust of ice bars them from their food. Web-footed doesn't mean you're sure-footed, and this bird knows winter is here.